Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Sanjay Fino Payments Bank. Myself Sanjay Kumar, Fino Payments Bank Super Distributor. In this video tutorial, I am going to show how to open Saral saving account for the customers. To do this, you need to have customer mobile number. You need to enter the mobile number in the given search box and click on the search button. Okay. For this step, I am typing the mobile number of the customer and wait a second. After entering, then click on search button. After clicking search button, it takes few seconds till it loaded. Okay, after loading you will get an option called open account or add account. Okay, so let's wait till it's loaded. Yeah, you can see, just click on open account. After that, just drag it up and click on Saral saving account. Okay, in this step select your kit type and the other seating type S and then click on proceed. After that, enter the customer Aadhaar number. Okay, in this process I am entering the Aadhaar number of the customer. After entering the Aadhaar number, just click on tick box given below and click on the icon thumb. After clicking that, take the finger capture of the customer. Okay, after successful capture of the finger, you can see the proceed option. I mean, you will proceed to the next step. At this step, you can see that if the thumb is successful, then you will be redirected to this page. After that, you just slightly drag down a little bit down. Okay, now after dragging it, just click on the email ID box and enter the customer email ID. For security reasons, I am blurring the every mandatory fields. Okay, now I am typing the customer email ID. Okay, .com, right. Next, after this, you need to drag it down and fill the father name. Okay, if the father name is on other number of the customer, then it will be auto fetched and comes here. If not, you manually type the father name of the customer. Okay, after typing, then click on mother's name and enter the mother name. You need to keep in mind that every fields are mandatory which are given star marks. Okay, and enter the same as it is in Aadhaar or by the family's data. Next, click on salary type and the graduation education type is graduation and mailing address as same as Aadhaar. Okay, do not manually add. Next, click on proceed, then take the customer authentication. Okay, after taking the authentication, you can proceed to the next step. Okay, after successful, just click on submit button. After clicking the submit button, you will be redirected to the next page. Next, here you can select the income slabs to 1 to 2 lakhs. If you have the customer PAN card or not having PAN card, you just keep that mind that customer don't have PAN card. Just click form 60, then fill the details as given showing in the video. Okay, next, drag it up, click on FATCA declaration and accept the terms and condition. Click it. Next, click on the nominee details, fill the nominee details of the customer whoever he is giving. In this case, I am taking the customer's father name and selecting the date of birth of the father name. Okay, after selecting the date of birth, in the field nomination relation, select the relation type of the customer to his nominee. In this case, and father is his relation. Next, click on the address as same as other. After this is a mandatory step, customer corporation details. This is very mandatory for this step. For this, you need to get the details. For getting the details of this details, you may contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, I may give or may not give. If you want this, you may be map under me. Okay, after that only I might give you. Okay, after that, you need to click on the capture icon. I mean, you need to upload a picture of the customer who is employing, who is your customer. Okay, after taking this, you need to upload a document letter pad. In this letter pad, a customer detail will be available. After taking the picture, you need to drag it down. Okay, keep in mind that you need these two details are mandatory, if else the account will be suspended or might not open. Okay, after taking the picture, just click on next button. Now you need to enter the kit number. Okay, if you have combo kit selected in the first step, you need to enter insta kit number. If else, if you selected a regular kit, you need to enter insta kit number separately and debit card kit number separately. Okay, after entering the kit number, just click sideway to check the kit number is successful or not. Okay, after checking this, you can see that combo is successful. After the payment details is 0, next click on the terms and conditions of the checkbox. After that, you need to take the customer finger authentication. Okay, let's wait until it's loaded. Yeah, you may see. Now take the authentication of the customer. Let's wait until the capture is taken. Yeah, put the customer's fingerprint. After successful, click on submit button. On submitted, you may see the amount is 0. Next, click on all the terms and conditions check boxes. Okay, now in this step, you need to take the customer's 2 fingers at least, and keep in mind that every finger must be finger quality must be more than 40. Okay, okay, waiting. Yeah, now click on the thumb icon. Next, take the picture fingerprint of the customer, any finger that you want. After taking it, you may see that my fingerprint after capturing, you see 117 finger quality. Okay, next click on the next finger and take the next fingerprint authentication. Okay, after taking it, you may see 132 fingerprint quality. Okay, only just 2 fingers is required. Next, tick the boxes and click on next button. This is the last step. For doing this, for every user evaluate users who are using evaluate, you may please turn off the evaluate device for the 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it on, then only it may work. Okay, in this case I have turned it off for 5 seconds. Now I have turned it on. Okay, just keep just placing the OK button. After pressing the OK button, now I am taking the retaking the fingerprint of the customer. Okay, in this case, after turning on it, it's just connected to the device, and place the finger of the customer. Okay, after taking the customer fingerprint, now customer is needed to place the OTP for authentication purpose of the mobile number. So after taking customer mobile number, OTP will be generated to the customer mobile number. Okay, till then you may see this Saral saving account is onboarded at the rate 0. You need not to pay any amount for the customer account while opening it. After opening the account, you may after a successful account opening, customer is needed to pay 294 or 295 rupees for the ATM charge. It means after successful account opened, the customer is maintained balance with minus 294. So customer is needed to pay 300 rupees to maintain the balance nil to, yeah, it means minus to plus. Okay, now OTP is came. Now I place the OTP and click on next button. Okay, after pressing it, it's loaded. That's all, boys. Account has been opened successfully. Take a screenshot of the account opened or write it on sideway. Okay, write it in a notepad and click on finish. Now you need to restart your application. Okay, close the application and open it with your user id password. Then in this step I'm showing to how to enable atm pin. To do this, you need to open the application and log into for mitra application. Now press on side menu of the top left side corner. Now click on paid device shown in the bottom second. Okay, click on it, paid device. Okay, not anything else. Click on paid device. After that, click on pin pad packs device and click on paid button. Okay, after that you will see the list of pairing devices. At this time, turn the device of your micro atm. Okay, turn it on and place click enter and cancel button, then click one next to turn the bluetooth device. Okay, after that pair the device of the selected device. After that, click on ok to pair successfully. Okay, next click on finish. Now you need to enter the customer mobile number once again, which you have opened earlier with the account. Okay, in this step I am placing the customer's mobile number in the search field box. After placing the mobile number, click on search button. Okay, after that select the account type that you have opened for account. In this case I have opened the Saral saving account for the customer. Okay, just drag it down little bit down and click on service request. Drag it up back to top and click on the debit card pin generation option. Okay, while this step the device will be connected to the macro atm device. Okay, after that click on the terms and conditions. Before that, please check the item device atm card which you have given. Okay, next step, click on the initiate button. Okay, then now you need, okay, some error got, click on the initiate button. Okay, after that the device mobile device will connect to the macro atm device and ask for the swiping the card. Now swipe the card and enter the any four digits that pin, four digit pin that customer needed to be open, withdraw the amount with the pin. Okay, now I have the place four digit pin of the customer. Now click on ok button, yeah, enter button on the pin pad device. The same procedure for the confirm pin. Initiate, click on the initiate button. Okay, after clicking that, same retype the password, swipe the card and retype the password and click on enter button. That's it. If the customer next, in this next step you need to authenticate customer's fingerprint. Okay, now click on next button. Now take the customer authentication. After successful authentication, if your customer's fingerprint authentication is successful, your pin generation will be successful, else fail. And one more thing, if this time if you repeat this twice or thrice, it will block the card for 24 hours. You need to do same thing for next day. Okay, that's it. Account has been, I mean pin generation has been successful. You will see the message. Okay, thank you for watching, friends. Have a nice day.